Well, hello again, everybody. It's Lorna Blake coming at you from beautiful Toronto. And I want to share a moment with you and ask by asking you a question. Do you have difficulty setting boundaries with others? Many of us do. And you know why? It's because we do not understand the power of no, that two-letter word. Very, very powerful. And so I want to help you with understanding the power of no. For many of us, we've been taught to be nice, but nice doesn't get us where we want to go. It gets other people where they want to go. And so in order for you to achieve your goals and your dreams and to get where you want to go, you have to learn to set limits and you have to be willing to firmly say no. And how you do that is you actually have to practice doing it. And you do that with people that you're most comfortable with at first. And you also do it with things that you might normally feel inclined to do. But because it's easy for you in that moment, then it's best for you to do it there. So you might say no to going out for an ice cream or, I don't know, going to a movie with a girlfriend or whoever, just to get the practice. And as you get more comfortable with it, it becomes easier. But it's really, really important to learn to say no. Understand the power of no. If you want to get more information, check out my ebook, Whose Life Is It Anyway, on www.lornablake.com. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.